Are you a startup business or a small business owner? Do you need to increase your sales or get people to engage with you more? Do you need to reach your goals and exceed expectations? Do you have company instructions or a marketing plan? Video increases more engagement rather than text. 65% of executives have visited a vendor's site after watching a video. But the hard part is how you can get it. I am your guy because I've had hundreds of satisfied customers, and this will take your business to the next level. I can create a 2D explainer video for your business. With one of my super animated explainer videos, you will instantly build trust and likability. You can share your video on Facebook, YouTube, website, or anywhere. No matter what your business, a video will help it grow. You can be a gym owner, offering handyman service, or medical services. Or you have a retail store. Order now and get your video today.